Meet Kit COSMO, the cute and slightly creepy robot from the Electric State Netflix movie. Have you ever wondered, is this robot real, or how does it actually move? Behind its smooth human-like motions are cutting-edge actuators, the same tech used in real-world robots. Let's dive into the amazing engineering that makes Kit COSMO come to life. If you're new to my channel, I have a website at kevinwoodrobotics.com where I have a bunch of resources on robotics and computer vision. So check it out and subscribe to learn more. Yes, the Kit COSMO robot from the Electric State is a real robot, and it was developed by Dennis Hahn's lab called Romella. So if you look closely at where the joint is moving around the elbow and shoulder, they use these actuators called bear actuators. I'm holding one in my hand right now. So these are these actuators I've been reviewing on my channel. They're super easy to use. They're easy to connect and program and get your robots up and running. So the company that develops these bear actuators is called Westwood Robotics. They also build humanoid robots. This is one of their latest technologies called Themis, and is a full-size humanoid robot that can do various tasks. This robot also has a camera attached to its head, so it could do a lot of computer vision tasks for those that are interested. You could apply different machine learning and AI algorithms to this robot. So what I really like about these motors is that they have absolute position encoders, they have a high torque motor. All of these are integrated together, including the motor driver. So you could buy one single actuator that has everything combined, and you don't have to buy anything extra to get your robots up and moving. They also have built-in ball bearings, which will let it be very strong in different axial and radial loads. So this is perfect for high-powered robots. So these bear actuators come in different sizes, so it's perfect for building robot arms and robot legs that have different torque requirements, so go ahead and check them out. I have some links in my video description. So BEAR stands for Back-Drivable Electromechanical Actuators for Robotics. So these actuators are super nice because you can see they have different control modes. So here is the spring mode, which allows the joint to move like a spring, and you can set different stiffnesses. So this is perfect for robots that have to interact with their environments. You can imagine like a robot dog jumping around. They also have a damping mode, which will make the robot joint feel like there's a lot of damping. So it's like moving your hands through mud. It also has the ability to do impact mitigation. So this is where you hit it and it'll bounce right back to where it was. So this is again good for robots that need to interact with the environment. And lastly, they have what's called dexterous force control. So when it hits something, it'll stop. So you can look at this egg here. When you put the egg and it touches the egg, it stops and the egg is perfectly fine. Perfect for robotic applications that interact with the environment. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.